Well, you might be here because you bought yourself an infrared panel heater and you're not really sure how you should install it or where you should install it. So in this video, I make that contraption right there. It's a lamp and heater. There's a smart plug in there. There's also Phillips Hue LED strips. I can control it all from my phone. When I bought it, I thought I'd just stick it to the wall. It wasn't just gonna mount up nicely and easily. So I thought I would design a different way to mount it up. I just have square room so that the heat radiates down. I'm gonna build a thing like this, and then this will mount to the ceiling with some sort of hidden hardware on the inside. So if I three-dimensionalize that thing, this is what I'm gonna use on the edges in here.